One of the questions we receive from producers is, what other crops can we grow? What are our alternatives other than what we usually plant here, such as spring wheat, winter wheat, canola, and other crops? Particularly, this question arises when the commodity prices are low. In this video, I am going to show you an experiment that we tried for the first time in Montana about intermediate wheatgrass. This is commonly referred as Kernza, a trademark name by the Land Institute in Kansas. These are the group of researchers that tried and bred and researched intermediate wheatgrass for about at least 15 years already. This intermediate wheatgrass is believed to originate from Europe and Western Asia. Also, one of the important traits of this intermediate wheatgrass is that it is deep-rooted. And reports out there are saying that the roots are twice as much as our wheat crops. This could have a great potential to be planted as drought-tolerant crop. In this experiment, because this is our first year of evaluating this crop, we conducted a series of planting days, 3 of which were planted in the fall. One is on September 20, 2019. The next is September 27, 2019. And then just a week after that, October 4, 2019. We extended our planting date window to mid of April, April 17, 2020, and also May 1 of 2020. Another interesting thing to observe about Kernza is that the head is quite long. And just for scale purposes, this is a winter wheat head. And I'm just going to put them side by side here. This is the base of the head of winter wheat, and this is the base of the head of Kernza. And if you see here, it looks like Kernza is at least 2.5 longer than our traditional winter wheat. So studies documented that there are more seeds per head in Kernza than of our traditional wheat. The interesting thing about that is that in wheat, the seeds are a lot bigger than Kernza. Kernza is only 1/5 of the size of our wheat, which makes Kernza inferior in terms of total yield. This intermediate wheatgrass can be used as forage, can be used as a grain. So we hope that at the end of the experiment, we will get more information about Kernza. Just as you, we also wonder how this crop survived, what are the advantages of this crop planted here in terms of biomass and grains? How do we harvest them? One of the questions. We hope to document the biomass yield over time, maybe 2 to 3 years, and see if forage yield stabilizes or declining over the years.